Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we'll be looking at using a and an, which are indefinite articles we use in the English language, and they normally come before a noun. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at this list on the left and the list on the right. The key is to remember your vowels. A, E, I, O, and U, and the sounds that they make. Under the list for A, we have a cat, a dog, a goat, a bat, a fish. However, under the list for an or an, we have an eagle, an octopus, an iguana, an antelope, an eel. Take a look at that list once more and you'll notice that the vowels in the front of the nouns, these all go with the word an in English. This is a quick and easy way to remember when to place a or an in front of a noun, because usually the word an goes in front of a word that starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. Let's look at the next list. A car, a purse, a shoe, a chair, and a door. We would put the article a in front of each of those. Notice there's no vowels in front of those nouns. Our second list, an iron, an electric stove, an ice maker, an attic, an eel, they all have vowels. I think you can start to notice a pattern here. Take a few moments to check out this additional list. What do you notice about the words under the column for an or an? Okay, let's review those vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And sometimes you may hear someone say also the letter Y could be a vowel. This applies to the sound that the letter Y makes. It sounds like I. For instance, the word sky, Y, and fly. They all have Y at the end, however, they make the I sound, not Y. So they actually sound like the vowel I. Now it's your turn to try. When you look at the list in the middle, which article would you use for each word? A or an? Think about our vowels. Okay, so here are the answers. I hope you answered all correctly. Let's try once more. When you look at the list of words in the middle, which article would you use for each word? A lemon or an lemon? A dress or an dress? You get the idea. Go ahead and try. And here are the answers. Thanks for joining me today again on Miss April's English. Today we talked about the articles a and an, which always go in front of nouns. Remember, don't forget your vowels and that sneaky one, letter Y, because it sounds like I. See you again next time.